Are you getting tired of extracting junk emails and phone numbers on internet? I'm going to be introducing you to Viral Email Leads Extractor, which can help you in extracting emails and phone numbers actively on the internet. This software can extract emails, phone numbers from Instagram, from Twitter, from TikTok, from LinkedIn, and from Facebook, and from any other social network you put in it. How does this software works? It works in few steps of clicking, and you will be getting the right audience which you deserve. Here is the screen is the interface of the software, and the first thing you have to put is in keyword. You can either use a single keyword on here or use a bulk keyword if you want to extract different niches. For example, let's say I want to extract into mining, and I put mining as my keyword. I can also say I want to extract people that are interested in gold. I can put the gold, and let's say I should put coal. Okay, these are the kind of people I want to extract. And we have two options in the software. You can extract the emails. And if you see the down part of this place, you see the phone number extractor, which means you can at the same time extract phone number if you want the phone number. So let's go on how to extract email first. From this email domain, you can just highlight everything which I have in here. And if you have a custom domain you want it to specify in extracting, you can put the custom domain here. You can start with at whatever you want to put. Okay, we have the option to put the country. You can type in the country or the local area of your choice. Let's say you want to California, you can just type, or you want to extract from USA at large, you can pick from the drop down United States, Canada, blah blah blah, and at the same time you can clear and put your own. And from this option, you can see you can extract from LinkedIn, you can extract Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, or any other thing. You can clear this and put the website which you want to extract there. So the first thing you will be doing after filling all the information that you need, you are telling the software that you want to extract mining people in United States from LinkedIn. And after once it's done extract that one, it's going to move to the code and it's going to extract from United States on LinkedIn. Once you don't extract that, you can switch. If you want to focus on the country, pick the United States. You can at the same time extract from Facebook and check the drop down, and you can extract from different things, or you type in your own website which you want to extract from. Okay, the next thing you will need to do is to click on get data. When you click on the get data, then it's going to wait for a Chrome browser to be loaded out for you. So once load the Chrome out for you like this, then it's time for us to start extracting our new email addresses by hitting the start extraction. So start extracting, the software will start extracting email immediately based on the information which you've given to it, the instruction which you already instructed the software. We are extracting mining at United States from LinkedIn. That's our instruction for the software. So it's up to the software to do the magic, and you can see this is the email which is extracting. This is the name of the people which is extracting for. So if you scroll down, you can see we are having email coming in gradually. We're having emails coming in gradually, and so far we've extracted like 30. Okay, let's see, we've extracted like 32. Okay, which is still going. I think we have 35 now. Okay, this is just a simple method which you can extract emails. These are valid emails, they are targeted emails based on the keywords and the country which you chose. Okay, let me just stop this and I'm going to save this. You can just say pause, then you can remove duplicates from the option here. Let's say remove duplicate. If there's any duplicate, then it's going to remove duplicate for us. And from here we can save. If you check down below here, you can export as txt. If you export as txt, then it's going to be saved as txt. I can say mining. This is mining leads, and I can say mining. Okay, mining leads. Okay, then save. I can just copy this. Now let's try for the phone number part of it. Let's go to the phone number extractor. And from here you also have the option to put single keyword or bulk keyword. If I'm using the bulk keyword, same thing, the country, LinkedIn, and I'm still going to say get data. which is the first thing we did on the other one. So on this part also, once this thing is up, the Chrome is up, you click on start extracting to extract the phone numbers, valid one based on the information which we use. So let's say start extracting. Okay. So then the phone number will start coming in like this. It is coming in. So from this part, you can once you're done extracting, claim the emails, claim the phone numbers, and validate the numbers, and you can start sending your bulk SMS, or you start sending messages to them on WhatsApp. So this is just a quick demo on how you can extract emails, and at the same time how you can extract phone numbers out from the internet, targeted and valid addresses. So if you are interested in getting this software, do check the description below this video to reach out to us on our Telegram, TikTok, or on WhatsApp. And at the same time, you can follow the link to download the software straight away. Thanks for watching this video, and I'm going to see you in the next one.